Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to do masala prawn. It can be a side dish. Let me show you how to do it. Put gingelly oil, followed by fennel seeds, chopped onion, and followed by a little salt for the onion to turn into brown color. Now I'm adding in dry chili and green chili and some curry leaf. Now I am putting in ginger garlic paste, chili powder, coriander powder, black pepper, cumin powder, turmeric powder, then put in the fresh prawns, add in some water occasionally for the prawn and the masala to mix well. Add in some tamarind juice. Now the masala cooked well with the prawn, so it's ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.